Our top 5 best drones under $50. Drones are quite popular among people of all ages. No matter if you are a kid or an adult, everyone loves these little flying vehicles. But, before you invest in a drone, there are some essential factors that you should know about. 1. Number product. Potensic upgraded 820 mini drone. Potensic is one of the good brands that offers a decent quality of drones, especially the small ones that are meant for indoor fun. The color scheme and the build quality of both the drone and remote seem to be good enough to be handled by any kid. Also, the size is pretty tiny, so flying indoors is not a big deal. On a single battery, it can fly for about 6 minutes. However, if you choose to fly it on higher speeds using the adjustable 3-speed mode, the flying time may vary. 2. Number product. Q9 SRC drones for kids. Q9S offers a high-quality drone with 4 propellers, which contain bright LEDs to entertain your kids while the drone is flying. You can even select among the 3 lighting modes for more fun. These 4 propellers are made of sturdy plastic, which also act as guards to prevent injuries to your kids while spinning them. Moreover, this plastic material makes sure the drone won't be damaged even after multiple falls. 3. Number product. Cheerwing Syma quadcopter drone. Cheerwing Store is one of the most reliable brands when it comes to affordable and advanced drones. This drone can be used both indoors and outdoors as per your requirements. This model is an upgraded version with advanced 720p HD Wi-Fi camera. So, you can take better aerial photos as well as videos. It comes with a real-time FPV transmission which lets you check the video through smartphone app. 4. Number product. SANROCK drone for kids with camera. For the videographer out there looking for a camera drone, SANROCK has a pretty good deal for you for an amazingly affordable price. As the main attraction of this drone is its camera, you can shoot some highly creative aerial footage in 720p HD resolution at 30 frames per second from its camera. In addition, the 90 degrees rotating mechanism lets you shoot what's underneath it as well as in. 5. Number product. Hand-operated drones for kids or adults. Are you looking for a toy drone that can keep your kid busy playing with? Well, this hand-controlled Force 1 SCU drone will make him run around with it. As the name suggests, it does not come with any kind of remote controller. Apart from that, this small UFO kind of drone has several infrared sensors that detect your hand coming nearby and makes it move away from it. Thanks for watching this video.